How to add someone on Telegram by username. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to add someone on Telegram by their username. So to do this procedure, first thing, check your internet connection. You'll need to log in into your Telegram account. So after you open up a login into your Telegram account, so basically you do not need to enter in the phone number. To add someone on Telegram, you do not need to add their number. You do not need to find them through their phone number. All you have to do is just type in the username. It really depends on what you've actually saved it on your contact, or it also depends on what the other person has created as their username. So all you have to do is just tap the search bar and then type in the username. So basically this is how you can look for the contact. So in order to message them, just type in the message and just tap the arrow icon. Once you do that, this particular contact will be added to your Telegram account. So in this way you can add someone on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.